Hey guys, welcome to the episode. Today I'm at my buddy Steve's house and we're gonna wash our car, so stay tuned. First, let's check out Steve's R34. He's been doing some things to it. If you guys haven't followed him yet, definitely go check him out on YouTube, natty_Steve. I'll put that down in the description below. He was actually in quarantine for the last 2 weeks. He went back to the States for some training for his job and got back and got put on the 2-week quarantine. And today's his first day out. So obviously, naturally, we got to do some car stuff. So we're out here right now. And this thing looking good as always. He's doing some interior mods right now, but check out the license plate he got. He just picked these up today. He's got the Tokyo 2020 limited edition license plate. And then underneath, he just put his Nismo carbon plate that he picked up at the Omori Nismo factory when we went together back in January. He's got some other things he's working on right now, but the car is dirty. Hey, when was the last time you washed the car?
It's been like over a month.
Over a month?
Yeah, it is pretty bad.
It's like looking rough.
It's bad, yeah.
He's doing a NOS upgrade, as you guys can see. Yeah, let me see it.
Yeah, right here. It's got, you know, the blue stitch on there. It's got the top secret logo. It's pretty good, pretty good.
It looks good, man. Yeah. It matches the wheel nice, too.
Yeah, I got the blue Momo, so pretty good. Just gonna put this little foam in here so that way it doesn't scratch up the coin collector thing, I guess, you know, just...
Hey, you have cup holders?
Yeah, I do, actually.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I'm like, put it in here, you know, kind of save the interior a little bit. As you can see, it's super clean, just trying to keep it that way. But...
Do the GTRs, do they come with cup holders? I don't know. I know the 33 and the 32s didn't.
Yeah.
I'm starting to see a lot of pros in the GTTs, man. They got sunroofs, they got cup holders.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna get out of your way, let you do your thing.
You're good, man.
So I'm gonna finish wiping down the Evo and get it nice and dry, and then I actually have some rubbing compound, and I'm gonna try to bring a little bit of life back to this paint. I think there's some life in it. There's a little bit of shine. Like I said in a previous video, I did get the paint quote. I am gonna get it painted, but with everything going on with quarantine and whatnot right now, what I don't wanna have happen is me take the car down to the paint shop and then I get stuck and I can't go get it.
That is wild.
That's crazy, right?
That is wild.
I don't know if the camera's picking this up.
This is the paint.
Yeah.
Like, we just washed, you just washed it, and it's black. And you just
and
put some of that
just
compound.
a little bit of rubbing compound. Like, my paint is super dull. Let's go ahead and hit a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm hoping the camera picks that up. That is crazy.
Might have to take a before and after.
Maybe down here.
Yeah, I mean, you can see a little bit of it. Like, right around here. That's crazy. Just basic Japanese rubbing compound. I don't even know what this stuff is called. Whatever.
Dude, that...
I might just hit this hood up and just see how it comes out real quick.
That's wild. I've never seen something like that.
Right? This paint, though, I mean, this thing has been neglected forever.
Yeah, I mean, you have like the Meguiar's, you know, clay bar, you have stuff like that, but I've never seen something so come off so easy.
I can actually see like a little bit of shine, a little bit of reflection.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
I think once you hit it with that and then maybe some wax.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah. All right, guys, so the paint is back. Oh my goodness. You guys would not believe how good this compound is that I bought. I haven't even touched the fender up yet. I hit a little bit right here when I was going over the hood. And you guys can see the contrast in the color. But the Scotia White is looking good. I cannot believe how well this stuff brought the paint back. Oh man. I know you guys see the shine on the hood too. I haven't even waxed it yet, so wait till we put a little bit of wax on here. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm gonna try to finish up at least the front before the meet tonight. So I'm gonna hit the front bumper and probably the front fenders, and then maybe the rest tomorrow. But it's coming out good. It's coming out good. Cannot believe I'm getting some shine out of this paint. All right, guys, the Evo is back to life. This stuff is absolute magic. I mean, it's just basic rubbing compound. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. I was just kind of at the local automotive store, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to try to save this paint, and you would not believe the results. I should have just done like a before and after, but you guys probably can see in the camera. It looks like I got a paint job. I mean, there's still a few imperfections on the front lip and whatnot, but overall, I mean, there's shine on this thing. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw some of this Shine Armor Fortified Quick Coat, and we'll see if I can make it look even livelier, if that's a thing, and then it should be good to go for tonight. I only did the front end, like I said, running out of daylight, but I will probably tomorrow hit up the entire car, and this is just with like an applicator pad in my hand, not even with a like an orbital machine or anything. So I'm really, really excited because the car looks night and day. Looks completely different. Like just standing back looking at it right now. Oh, I'm so excited. So freaking excited. And I think I might have enough time after I put this quick wax on to do the oil. And then I should be good for tonight. So I'll go ahead and throw some of this on and we'll see what it looks like after. All right, so I'm trying to beat the daylight right now. We got the Evo up on ramps and the oil is draining underneath. Take the oil filter off and I got a Gretty oil filter from everybody's favorite, Up Garage. And it was 1,290 yen, so like $11. Here's the part number for any of the Evo 3 guys out there. Boom, boom. And then I'm just going to be using some basic Castrol GTX 10W30. I'm not too worried about full synthetics. I'm not driving it hard or anything like that. I'll just change it maybe in a few months. From what I saw, I've never done an Evo change, or excuse me, I've never done an oil change on this Evo before, but super straightforward. I love the 4G. Even this version of the 4G, the oil filter is in a super convenient location. Unlike the RBs, I remember when I had my GTR, the oil filter was like on the block, way down over here, and you had to like, I don't know how to use a tool, and then oil drained all over the block. It was crazy. I was like, Nissan, what are you thinking? So a lot of the guys run the relocation kits. But I'm gonna let this finish draining. I got a new bolt. Pick that up. It's not magnetic. I'll get a magnetic one here in a little bit, but just something for short term. Throw this bad boy on there, and then we'll top off the oil and it should be done. Pretty easy job. All right, got the oil filter in. Hand tight, people, hand tight. That one was just cranked down, and I didn't have a oil filter wrench, so Steve and I, we got some sandpaper and some regular pliers and kind of cranked down on it so we can get a good grip, and then took it off with some brute strength, and now we're just gonna fill it up. The 4G63 is good for 5 quarts. We'll probably be able to get 4.5 in there because the oil filter's got some oil and whatnot. And that'll do it for the oil change. He's grabbing the filter right now. While I was letting the oil drain, I took some MAF cleaner and removed my intake piping here. Sprayed the MAF down. I don't know when the last time it was cleaned, but overall, I don't know if I filmed the engine bay cleaning I did. I know I took some photos, posted that on my Instagram, but I degreased everything. I wish I could show you guys a before and after, but the VIN number here on the back and the VIN plate and everything, couldn't even see it. It was pretty much black on the inside of the engine bay. Granted, I got a little bit more work, some more work to do. You guys can see right here. That's pretty much how it looked on the entire engine bay. And that was one bottle degreaser. I did a little bit on the hood too as well. So I'll get probably another bottle next weekend and hit it one more time and actually hit it a little bit better. And then I want to clean up the intake manifold, maybe polish that up a little bit. The Mother's mag polish works great on that material. And then the strut tower bar, might take it off, polish it up as well. We'll see. It's a work in progress, slowly but surely getting there. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? But man, I can't get over the paint right now. Mind blowing. So I'm gonna hit the back. I'll show you guys what it looks like. You can see some of the imperfections. Like this car, I just washed it. You guys can see all that. It's pretty much how the entire car looked. And then on the back, don't look. I had this zebra stripes kind of going down here that was burned into the clear coat. I just got rid of those real quick. It's gonna look so good with the spoiler on there once this thing's all cleaned up. I'm excited. I'm real excited. And somebody mentioned possibly putting some spacers on here. I might put maybe some 5mm, fill in this wheel gap just a little bit. But overall, like the ride height, it rides really good. The coils, I'm not gonna touch them for a little while. I mean, they're doing exactly what they're intended to do. It handles great. This car is such a blast to drive. But I don't know when this oil was last changed. That is black. So excited to get some fresh oil in here. And then that'll probably wrap up the video. It is getting a little bit darker out here and we're going to that meet in a few hours. So I'll probably end up filming the meet in a separate video. So stay tuned for that, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm just gonna throw oil in there. You guys don't need to see that. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go check out Steve. He's going to the meet as well. Actually, we'll check out his car. He just put some vinyl stickers on there. Yeah, check it out. US flag, Japanese flag. His car is looking super clean. Man, this thing's gonna be awesome when you take it back to the States. Oh, man. Dude, I love the color on it.
I cannot wait.
and TE37s. He's got the bridge seats going in, just waiting on the rails to come. He's got the seats upstairs, so as soon as the rails come in, if you want to see this build, definitely go follow him on YouTube and Instagram, natty_Steve. Check him out.
Made you your oil filter or oil.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Old school.
Improvising.
Yeah, man.
Getting it done. Getting it done. But yeah, there should be some nice cars at the meet tonight. With everything going with, COVID-19 and quarantine, people are trying to find any reason to kind of get out their house. So every weekend we're like, this could be the last one. This might be the last meet for a while. So take the Evo out. He's going to take the 34, but I gotta go home and shower. But I'll catch you on the next video, so stay tuned.
Later.